At Rutgers, there's one experience that unites all 50,000 students. It's not midterms, it's not the buses, and it's not a football game. It's this.
Hello, who am I here with?
Rhea.
So good.
I'm Reuven Israeli. Noah.
If you could describe Rutgers course scheduling in one word, what would you say?
Awful.
Complicated. Slow. Ambiguous.
Hard.
Chopped.
And another question, if you could magically fix one thing about Rutgers course scheduling, what would it be?
I'd want to coordinate with my friends.
I wish it was easier to select courses.
I think a single page where you can keep adding courses and looking at the courses in the same place.
I would update the user interface because that kind of looks like it was made in the 1980s.
I feel like it's just a little hard to figure out what you have to do sometimes.
Redo the whole thing.
So here's the problem. Rutgers' course scheduling system is a confusing mess, as has been well documented over the many years of its existence. Every year, Rutgers' social media explodes with students complaining about how terrible the Rutgers ecosystem is. This is the norm. Rutgers' student information system is over 50 years old, according to Amy Brainard, the director of the Office of Academic Scheduling and Instructional Space. The system's limitations prevent it from keeping up with the university. This issue isn't specific to Rutgers. The bottom line is, scheduling is a fundamental problem at colleges, and existing systems simply aren't equipped for its ever-evolving needs. Hey, I'm Akash, and these are Ayan and Ani, and we're the team that built and scaled Scarlet Sync. We're computer science, math, and data science students who've taken on the responsibility of improving course scheduling for everyone. Scarlet Sync is the intelligent overlay that fixes the scheduling experience without replacing the university's existing database. The scheduling page provides students with an intuitive experience for generating schedules that bridges their classes, preferences, and friends together. Our degree search page allows students to see exactly how close they are to completing any degree, something which Rutgers' own tools fail to do clearly. We also deliver vital student data instantly, creating the foundation for future agents. There are over 900 students using Scarlet Sync, and over 1,500 schedules have been generated through our platform. If this is what we can accomplish on our own, just imagine what we can do with direct access to Rutgers' systems. So what Scarlet Sync does is enhance and demystify the entire scheduling pipeline. Basically, Scarlet Sync is the modern student-first interface that sits on top of the outdated systems and makes scheduling actually work. By empowering students, Scarlet Sync enables advisors to focus on higher level questions by reducing the number of basic scheduling questions that they're bombarded with. By making accurate guidance available anytime, we provide students support who haven't historically reached out for it. 72% of continuing generation students access advising services compared to just 55% of their first generation peers. We're aiming to bridge this gap. Our target market is the Rutgers IT department. We aim to be B2B2C and offer deeply integrated specialized software and services to students and administrators. We also aim to expand to similarly antiquated large public schools in the Big Ten with this model. The U.S. higher education student information systems market is valued at $11 billion. Our service available market of large U.S. universities is $19 million, and a single contract at Rutgers yields an estimated minimum of $100,000 per year as our service obtainable market, and that's just the starting point. Our target consumer is anyone new to scheduling. At Rutgers, it's a huge market, over 70,000 undergraduate and graduate students with over 365,000 total course enrollments annually. Outside of Rutgers, there are over 18 million students enrolled in colleges across the country. So far, we've conducted interviews with over 75 students to validate and get feedback on our user experience and features. We've also talked to academic advisors and IT department officials within Rutgers to see where our solutions can be helpful to stakeholders. We're also currently in the procurement process with OIT and reaching out to other software vendors like Oracle. To understand our value, you have to look at who we're up against. There are infrastructure giants like Oracle and Illusion who build the massive databases and that administrators need, but they completely neglect the interface that students and stakeholders actually use. Then you have Salesforce and Decision Academic who lock universities into multi-year contracts that can cost millions of dollars annually. Scarlet Sync aims to disrupt this model. We aren't trying to replace the university's database, we're the intelligent overlay of information that fixes the user experience. By staying lean, we can offer a superior AI-driven platform for just $100,000 a year, undercutting these legacy competitors by a factor of 10, while finally giving students and stakeholders the modern technology they deserve. The initial growth strategy focuses on vertical expansion within Rutgers' tech stack with features like direct API connections, virtual counseling, and more. Once established locally, we plan to scale horizontally to other large universities, leveraging our streamlined, low cost development to undercut existing enterprise vendors with our cost structure that's just too good to pass up. Right now, Scarlet Sync offers a free version that gives students access to core features, but we plan to offer two tiers for universities, a basic plan and an integration plan. We're lean by design, and our feasibility and execution plan involves getting SO2 compliance and enterprise security readiness to prepare for a contract. Thank you, judges. Now we'd like to open up for any questions you may have.